Okay, cool. Ranveer, what all do you have on your plate?
Ma'am, I have bread, salt, pepper, and butter. And cheese slice.
And cheese slice. Vihan, what all do you have on your plate?
Butter, cheese slice, salt and pepper.
Wow. Pranav. Ranveer, don't start putting things in your mouth. Chichi. Okay. First things first. Everybody go wash your hands and come. Everybody get up, go wash your hands with soap and come back. Vihan, don't put off your video. Just go and wash your hands with soap and come back. No touching phone every 2 minutes. Subhan, I told you, wash your hands with soap. Subhan, I told you, wash your hands with soap. I didn't say go use a sanitizer and come back. You're going to cook. Good, 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 good. You're going to prepare a meal. So wash your hands with soap. Not just putting sanitizer and coming. Sanitizer is only if you are out and you need it in an emergency. Did you understand, Subhan? Sanitizer is not for everyday use. Sanitizer is if you are out somewhere or if you are in a place where you cannot get soap and water to wash your hands. Then you quickly use sanitizer and just clean up your hands. That's not for every minute use. If you are at home, use the soap and water. Okay, I'm waiting for Tanishka and Pranav to reach.
Open the cheese slice.
No, no opening cheese right now. Leave cheese aside. No opening cheese right now.
I put it here.
Now take just a pinch of pepper and do that in between your fingers. See what I'm doing to my fingers? You've taken a pinch. Pranav, ikde bag. Take a pinch, do that to your finger and spread it all over one slice of bread. You're only going to decorate one side of the bread, one slice of bread. दूसरे bread को छूना मत. No touching the other slice. You put some salt. Now you put some pepper. Don't overdo it. You won't be able to eat it. It will get too difficult to eat it if there is too much salt and too much pepper. Okay? Now, if you have a cheese slice, then open your cheese slice. Vihan, stop licking in between. Yuck! No licking in between. Let it be in your fingers. It's okay. Okay? If you have a cheese slice, Pranav, Tanishka, if you have a cheese slice, open the cheese slice and place it on this bread. If you have grated cheese, if you have grated cheese, we are not doing tomato right now, Subhan. Listen what I'm telling you. I'm only talking about cheese. Do you have cheese with you? Subhan, do you have cheese with you? Subhan, do you have cheese with you? Do you have cheese slice? Okay, fine, fine. Then you put your tomato slices on it. Keep 4 in 4 different places.
Mom, I don't have any of them.
If you have cheese slice, then keep the cheese slice on the bread. If you have cheese, grate. Ranveer, keep it on that bread slice on which you put salt.
Should I break and put some pieces?
It's up to you. You want to break it up and do that or just keep the whole slice? Yes, Tanishka.
Ma'am, we need tomato also.
No, no, not needed. We are just making cheese sandwich.
Yummy. Yeah. Pranav.
Okay. Take a spoon of grated cheese and spread it over the bread on which you already put some salt and pepper. Cheese को डालने के बाद don't spread it on the bread. Just put the cheese on top of the bread. Take a spoonful of cheese.
Ma'am, just put the
Tanishka, why is
bread on
mommy
it.
preparing it for you? You are supposed to do it on your own. Why you
Ma'am,
asking
Ma'am,
mommy to
no.
give you this and
how
that?
to cut tomato?
No need tomatoes. I told you we don't need tomatoes. Tomato नहीं चाहिए. I told you tomato नहीं चाहिए. Yes, Ranveer, good job. Yes, Ranveer, fine, that's good. I told tomato नहीं चाहिए. अब class के बीच में why you making your mummy run up and down? Good, good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, Vihan, open that cheese slice and keep it on your bread slice. Good, very good, very good. Subhan, have you kept your tomato slices?
Ma'am, I have 2 tomato slices. Less slow, so I want.
Can I tell Pranav something?
Okay. Now the grated cheese that you have. Vihan, wait.
Pranav,
The grated cheese that you have, take it in a spoon and just spread it over your bread by just shaking the spoon like this. उसको उस bread के ऊपर डाल के उसको दबा के खींचना मत. मत करो वैसे. Take that grated cheese in
I
a
can't
spoon
hear
and just
anybody.
shake
I can
it
see
over.
everybody's video, but I can't hear anyone.
We can hear you, Ranveer. We can hear you. We can hear you, Ranveer.
And I have bought my grated slice cheese.
Okay. Now put it on your bread. Put it on top of your bread.
I'm done. And wait, someone is doing it.
Yeah, you put it. Subhan, have you done it?
Yes.
Tanishka, you had tomato slices, right? Keep that also on top of the bread now. तुम्हारे पास था ना tomato slice? Decorate them. All decoration will happen only on one bread slice. Nothing to be done on the other bread slice. You buttered 2 bread slices. On one bread slice that you buttered, leave that bread aside. The other bread slice that you buttered, उसपे तुम लोगों ने नमक डाला, पेपर डाला, चीज डाला. अभी टोमेटो उसी पे डालो. दूसरे ब्रेड स्लाइस पे कुछ नहीं करना है.
Tomato, I don't have.
That's okay. It was not needed. Tomato was not needed for today.
Ma'am, can I tell something to the
Ma'am, you said not needed, so my mother don't eat me.
Okay. Tanishka, Vihan wants to say something to you. Tanishka, Vihan wants to say something to you.
Pranav, does Pranav like cheese sandwich a lot?
What? Yes, Pranav like cheese sandwich a lot.
And me.
Yeah, Pranav and you are same.
Ma'am, may I put sauce and mayonnaise on my sandwich?
Yes, you can. If you want to put sauce and mayonnaise on your sandwich, you can do that.
Ma'am, can I also?
Okay.
I don't like sauce and mayonnaise.
It's okay.
I have mayonnaise, but I don't like mayonnaise.
No worries. Now what you do is, the other slice of the bread that you had only buttered, put it on top of this slice. This slice on which you decorated everything, put the other slice of bread on top of this slice. Remember not to overdo your sandwich. You will not like the taste later on. I know you're very excited to make it, but if you put too much of those things, the taste will be spoiled. Take a little bit in a spoon and use a spoon to put those things and spread them. Don't overdo it. You will not like the taste of the sandwich. Keep the quantity measured. थोड़ा ही डालना है. सैंडविच का ब्रेड का साइज इतना सा है, उसमें इतना सारा भर के मत डाल देना. सुभान, not more than a teaspoon.
I'm done.
टेबल स्पून मत डालना, टीस्पून जितना डालना. Ranveer, you're putting too much of it. It's all going to flow out of your sandwich. You're overdoing it. You will not like the taste. Okay? Wow, Vihan has already started eating his sandwich. Cool. Good. Tanishka, you want to add a little more butter or a little more cheese? Do that. It is time to close these 2 bread slices and enjoy your sandwich.
Let me see how it will taste.
Cool. Show me your sandwich. Let me just see the inside of your sandwich. क्या-क्या डाला है? थोड़ा अपने sandwich का inside दिखाना तो. What all have you put inside your sandwich? Yes, Ranveer, can I see that? Oh, that's looking nice.
Wow.
He has split up the cheese slices and put it on 2 breads. Okay, cool. Good. Subhan, can I see yours? Yes, Tanishka, show me yours. Oh, nice. Wait, I'm going to click a snap of it.
Yummy, yummy.
Wait, Tanishka. Show. I didn't see it.
Now can I start eating?
Tanishka, one by one. Tanishka, one by one. If one drops, the other will also be gone. A little closer, Tanishka. Can you come a bit closer? Yes. Nice. Pranav, you come ahead and show me yours. Subhan, I want to see the inside of the sandwich. Subhan, I want to see the inside of the sandwich. Open the top slice and show me the inside of the sandwich. Nice. Cool. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Come on, everybody, enjoy your sandwich. Eat it with your ketchup. Eat it with mayonnaise. Eat it with whatever dips you want. It's all yours.
I put honey mustard.
Honey mustard. Wow. Interesting.
Yummy.
Yummy. Keep it on top of the plate and eat it. Don't take it to your chair. Your food should be on the table. The food should not move away from the table. Bend over your plate and eat. Yes, that's the right way to eat. ऐसा नहीं हो कि प्लेट टेबल में है और खाना मेरे साथ मेरे चेयर में है. ऐसा नहीं. Bend over your plate and eat. If you have 2 more slices, please make another sandwich for yourself without me giving you any instructions. If you have 2 more slices, make another round of sandwich for yourself.
Wow, it's very good.
Yeah. So that's it. From now on, y'all, every Wednesday, you should make a sandwich and eat it yourself. Y'all should make your own sandwich for snack time and eat it yourself. You should tell your parents,
Very good.
please मुझे kitchen में 10 minutes दे दो. I want to make my own sandwich. Pack it up, bring it to class, snack time, and eat it in the class. What do you say, Vihan? You can do it, no? Vihan, you can do it, right?
Yeah.
Cool, proud of you. Subhan to does everything. Subhan makes omelette also. He makes roti also. Subhan wants to be a chef for sure.
Ma'am, I also make a half fry.
Wow, half fry. Very nice. It is so nice to see Tanishka and Pranav sharing and enjoying together. Wow. Wish we were all in a classroom right now. In our school. We all could have shared and eaten so many things, no? I know. It would have been so much tastier. Ranveer would get his mustard, honey sauce. Subhan would get his mayonnaise and ketchup. And Vihan would have got another dip. Yes. Who's that?
Ma'am, on 2 June, Tanishka had got Khavik Shankar Pai, so Tanishka was saying to sir, so sir asked that when school will get start, then we will eat. Tanishka was telling that on 1 August school is reopened. Ma'am, so tomorrow is school reopened.
Tomorrow your school reopens. Matlab, I didn't understand that.
That Modi means said that school will open on 1st August. I said to sir, then Pranav is saying tomorrow our school will open.
The physical school. You mean to say the actual classroom school?
Yes.
Nahi re, it will not open so soon re baba.
Ma'am, today we all can take out our cars in Delhi.
Today, yes. As per our yesterday's discussion, today is even day. You all can, if you all were in Delhi, all of you could have gone out in your cars today. Yes, that's so true.
Pranav's next sandwich.
Pranav's next sandwich. Oh wow, that's looking cool. Yummy.
I like this sandwich. I made don't make a sandwich.
I'm going to ma'am. See, eat ma'am. It's for you.
Ma'am, my next sandwich.
Good one, Ranveer. Very nice, very nice. Enjoy.
Double it.
So, few things you must remember when you're making a sandwich. First,
My sister is eating sandwich and making own sandwich.
very good. First important rule about making sandwich, both the
Yes, ma'am.
slices must be similar. They should perfectly sit on each other. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि इधर से थोड़ा बाहर निकला, उधर से थोड़ा बाहर निकला. Both the slices must be exactly matching each other. And then you will open it like this. How will you open your sandwich bread? You will open it like this. One side of that slice has to be buttered. One side of the other slice has to be buttered. Now, one slice which is buttered has to be left alone on one side. The other slice should get all the decorations. The salt, the pepper, the cheese, the vegetables, the sauces, everything should go only on one slice. In the end, the other slice should come on top and you enjoy your sandwich. Did you all hear me? Pranav and Tanishka, did you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, जो भी सुना वो इधर से सुना और इधर से निकल गया.
No.
नहीं? So do you know the few things to remember when you're making sandwich?
Yes, ma'am. The sandwich will same size.
Size नहीं, दोनों same एक के ऊपर एक बैठना चाहिए. No extras from the other side, which means the sandwich bread is not exactly looking at each other. Then you butter them first. Slice में butter लगाते हैं पहले. उसके बाद एक slice को छोड़ दो side में. On the other slice, you start filling it up with all the sandwich ingredients that you want.
Ma'am, my sandwich is
Factors that you want in a sandwich should go into it. Your cucumber if you want. You want capsicum. You want boiled egg. You want corn. जो चाहिए सब उसमें डालो. नमक और पेपर मत भूलना. And then you put the other slice on top of it, and then you enjoy a mouthful of sandwich. उफ, तनिष्का के मुंह से तो पानी आ रहा है. Woo, she's wriggling.
Ma'am, when we were in that Sega City school, when the school I scheduled, when we were in the Sega City school, when the school I scheduled to the sandwich party, so we had enjoyed a lot. But we are enjoying this now so much. Yes. Thanks, young God.
See, कोई बना के खिला दे तो ठीक है, तुम उसको enjoy कर सकते हो. But when you make it yourself, you will enjoy it a lot more because you will also enjoy the efforts that you took to make it. That's very important. Nice. Tanishka, I saw you make the whole thing. तुमने वो पूरा सैंडविच कैसे बनाया मैंने देखा. Awesome. Very good job. Enjoy your sandwich. See, Vihan has also made another round of sandwich and he's eating it. Very good.
I have made for you, ma'am, but
Give.
It's yummy.
There's a lot of butter in it. It's really yummy.
She has put lot of butter.
It's yummy. Yes, see, Vihan has also put a lot of butter. Look at that. Vihan has also put a lot of butter.
Oh.
Nice. Enjoy, enjoy. Enjoy. Everybody enjoy a sandwich.
I finished with
Acha,
the
tell me
sandwich.
something. Tell me something. How many of you have a microwave in your house? How many of you have a microwave in your house? Ranveer has. Vihan has. Subhan, do you have a microwave in your house?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Tanishka, do you have a microwave in your house? No? Oh, okay. All right. Okay, okay. Ranveer, you're done eating? You're done eating?
Yes.
Now clear the table. Come on, clear the table. Put all the items that you have over there which are left over. Put everything on the food plate that you ate. Keep that plate on the tray and take the whole tray and leave it in the kitchen. Good job. Look, look. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, if you have any flying items, put them under a plate. Good. Keep it on the tray. Excellent. Go keep it in the kitchen. Very good. Very good. Good job, Vihan. Good job, Ranveer. Others who are still enjoying your sandwich, enjoy it thoroughly. Vihan, now please come back and clean the table. Wow, Ranveer, that's excellent job. Very good, very good, very good. Now, Vihan, come back with a cloth and clean the table. See, Tanishka, you also have to clean the table, okay? If you're done eating, go leave the plate in the kitchen. Come back with a kitchen cloth and clean the table. After you have cleaned the table, go and wash your hands with soap. After you have cleaned the table, Ranveer, that's amazing. He used a wet cloth and then a dry cloth. Awesome. Now, please go and clean your hands with soap. No sanitizer cleaning. Go clean your hands with soap.
I was saying to my mother, my sandwich. She told it's very nice.
Very nice. Yeah, it is looking yummy. It's like a filled up sandwich. Come on. Finish it soon. Finish it soon. Finish it soon. Clean up your place. Vihan, did you wash your hands with soap? Finish it soon, Subhan. Go clean your hands. Clean your hands with soap and come back. Tanishka, third sandwich. Tanishka, third sandwich. Too much.
No, this is only one piece I have.
Acha,
What
only
should I
bread and
do with
butter. Okay, only bread and butter. Okay, okay, enjoy, enjoy. Only bread and butter. Okay.
I have put lot of butter.
I can see that. Your stomach is going to feel weird if you put so much butter. बाद में पेट बड़ा अजीब सा लगेगा इतना बटर खाओगी तो. Oi, enough. Oi, enough. Tanishka, don't put so much. Your stomach will feel weird. Don't put so much.
Aha! Yum.
Good job, Ranveer. Very impressive. Very nice. Go take a break. Go walk around. Go take a break. We'll come back for geography class in 10 minutes. Go take a break, everybody. Good job. Good sandwich making time. Clap for yourself. Everybody did a wonderful job. Clap for yourself. Very good. Very good. Very nice.